Wouldn't it be nice to someday not have to worry about the alarm clock in the morning? Well, that is the whole purpose of our channel. What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 ways of how we make some extra money, and hopefully you can apply any of these. But before I get into the video, the first 2 are going to be much easier and anybody can start applying them right away. But the last 2 are going to be more on the passive income side, which means that are going to require more work and are going to take a little bit longer. So you're going to have to be more patient for the last ones. I know this is going to sound a little crazy and almost impossible to accomplish, but did you know you could make money through your competition? So we know this guy who is in the same business, except he's been doing it way longer than we have. He has heavier equipment, he does embroidery, screen printing, and things we can't do. And for this order, we had to make 100 shirts. So what we did, we teamed up with him and he helped us do the screen printing. We could have done this easily with vinyl, except it would have taken forever for us to do this. Imagine making 100 t-shirts with vinyl. Yeah, I would have gone crazy. So just make sure you look around and try to team up with people that are in the same business and are willing to help you. Now for the second way, you can also outsource some products. You can outsource business cards, car magnets, yard signs, and we use gotprint.com to do that. We just send the design to them, they print them for us, and we just sell them to the customer. This is pretty simple. It takes a few tries to get it right, but it's pretty simple. Anybody can do this. So if you don't have a printer at home to do business cards, you can outsource them, or magnets or yard signs, whatever. They have so many products that you should check them out and see what other products you can sell. But these are the top 3 that we offer. Now for the third one, which is more on the passive income side, you can do digital products. Like you can create designs and sell them through eBay, which we do. We've sold a few of them. We haven't really paid much attention to this, but you can also do this. You can create logos and sell them. Like this one, for example, we did several designs for churches, and we just sell the designs. We don't sell the t-shirts or the vinyl. We just do the design and just sell it to them. And imagine how many can you sell? Like you can sell as many as you want. As long as you make the design, then you can resell it as many times as you want. For the 4th way of making passive income, we just started doing this not too long ago. You can make money through affiliate links on Amazon, which we just started doing not too long ago. We applied for their affiliate link programs. We got qualified. For that, you need a website or a YouTube channel. Since we are growing our audience, we were able to qualify for this, and we just add the links in the description boxes for our products. I know you're not gonna get rich overnight. Just think about it. If you have several videos, you can just add the links and people will start buying them if you give them value. Just like the way we try to do. We try to give you more value, and then people appreciate that, and then they start buying through the links, and it's just gonna be a little bit extra money. You're not gonna get rich overnight, but it's just nice to make some extra money. Just think about it. With this pandemic thing going on right now, you don't want to be vulnerable to rely on one way of income, and that's the reason we're expanding. We're trying to come up with different ideas. We're trying to move into the passive income side, which is going to take a little bit longer, but we're going to get there. If we give people more value, I'm pretty sure we're going to get there faster. So these are 4 ways that you can make some extra money. Let me know in the comments if you are currently using any of these, or if you have any other ideas that you can recommend me, and I'll see you guys until the next time. Don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you guys until the next time.